I'm Dave Worman. I'm the Information and Technology Manager for Integrity First Home Buyers out of York, Pennsylvania. I've been a licensed realtor for the last 7 years, worked for the company for the last 5 years. I handle all of our data, all of our technology, all of our integrations and solutions. We chose Left Main because we saw the possibility in the platform. We saw it as being a very scalable, very flexible platform that gave us a good high floor on what they gave us right out of the box, and we could build whatever we wanted on top of that. We came from actually a whole conglomerate of spreadsheets and an app called Boomtown for our retail agents. This whole matter of different disconnected processes with no centralized way of seeing the whole sales process from start to end. I would almost have to say that basically the campaigns and drip campaigns are some of my favorite features. We use them in a lot of our automations. We build a lot of custom automations that send automated texts, automated emails to potential customers and sellers. That's where we power a lot of our automations off of. The greatest impact for Left Main on our business has been visibility on the entire sales process, the entire cash flow cycle. We can see the leads as they come in real time. We can see the appointments. We can see all of our leadership team has total visibility on everything, so it gives them confidence to be able to make decisions and to continue to move everything forward. We now know our numbers, and the growth in our ROI has been tough to determine because before we just didn't know. A lot of this stuff was just unknowable because our data was everywhere and spread out. And yeah, we had an idea that, oh, this is what we're gonna make this month, or this is what we're making per lead, but it was all guesstimates. So now we know because the data is all in one place. We know what our ROI is on for different lead sources and everything. So we went from not knowing any of this information and not being able to have a good place to find and have reliable data to be able to have a platform that everyone believes in. We have buy-in through the company, and now we know what our ROI is, and we can make decisions based on that. I would definitely recommend Left Main to anyone in the real estate investment space who is looking for a CRM that gives you a good point of entry into the Salesforce world, into a more powerful CRM that can do more than your smaller, more limited CRMs can do. Stephanie and the team here are great, so I'd recommend it to any of the investors out there who's thinking about it.